This is 4 fingering groups for 12 major scales and singing along to 15 major scale series. Lesson 4, Common Fingering, D major scale. Lesson 1 introduced the 4 fingering groups. Lesson 2 presented the single sound system for all musical accidental notes. Lesson 3 illustrated the 5 characteristics of common fingering by detailed analysis of C major scale fingering. This lesson 4 will utilize the common fingering characteristics to play the D major. The order of C in last lesson, now D, then E in next lesson, and later G and A, sort of according to the piano K arrangements instead of the sequence on the circle of fifth, is temporary. In this lesson, I'll play and sing along 1, 2, and 4 octaves in a single sound system. D major ascending scale is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. There are 2 sharp notes. I use light blue dots for them, while the normal blue dots are for the natural notes. Fingering is the same as for C major. Right hand 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The D major descending scale is D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, and D. Fingering again is the same as the C major, thus common fingering, right? So right hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left hand 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As a matter of fact, D major scale obeys all the 5 characteristics of the common fingering, just as other 4 common fingering major scales. Let's play on the piano. Right hand ascending notes D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Descending notes D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Fingering ascending 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left hand ascending notes D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Descending notes D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Fingering ascending 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Descending 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The root notes are played by the thumb or the pinky. The 3rd and the 6th notes are played by the middle finger. Thumb, pinky, pinky, thumb. 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 6th, 3rd, 6th. Hope you have seen all 5 characteristics are applied. Singing along to the note names directly is almost impossible to me, even at a slow speed, because of the 2 sharp notes. D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F sharp, E, D. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do solfège is almost used by the whole world. However, it is not that simple. First, you need to know there are movable do and fixed do, the 2 very different systems, although they have the exact singing names and sounds. Singing in the fixed do system is not intuitive to many people's ears. Singing in a movable system requires some knowledge and work. For example, in this D major, note D is do, note E is re. It's different from in major C. They will still be different in major E, major F, and so on. So while we look at the musical scores, we may not immediately know whether to sing re, mi, fi, or do, re, mi. Your teacher tells you to play mi, fa, sol. You may not know which notes on the music sheet or which piano case. Sight reading and communication, therefore, can be very challenging for beginners and some amateurs too. While musicians may feel existing systems are good enough and their ears and their heart and their souls and their hands are good with everything, however, beginners don't have to be frustrated by the existing complicated systems anymore, because there is good news. The single sound system I present in Lesson 2 is crystal clear. It has a one-on-one link with musical notes, piano keys, and stays the same for all key signatures. In D major scale, there are 2 sharp notes. All sharp notes rhyme with I, so F sharp is Phi and C sharp is Psi. Let's sing along. D, Phi, G, A, B, Psi, D, Psi, B, A, G, Phi, E, D. Really, so simple. One more time. D, Phi, G, A, B, Psi, D, Psi, B, A, G, Phi, E, D. Now, 2 octaves. The fingering chart I made uses the same symbols and colors as in Lesson 3. Please feel free to review. Don't forget to play 3 and 4 octaves to let your fingers, hands, and arms familiar with all keys and positions. Thanks for watching. Next lesson is the E major. Hope to see you again. Bye.